Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check for unlock iPhone, and here's how it's done. First, open the settings app and scroll down until you find cellular option. If you don't see this option, you may be on an older iOS version, like iOS 13 or earlier, where you don't have a SIM card installed. Once in cellular, tap cellular data options. If you see any information here, it usually indicates that your phone is unlocked. However, even if this option isn't available, your phone could still be unlocked. If you are unsure, exit this menu and go to General. About, scroll down to find the Carrier Lock section. If it says No SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked, meaning it can be used with other carriers. If neither of these methods work, find your IMEI number at the bottom of the About page. You can use this number to check your phone's unlock status online using an IMEI checker, such as Swappa. Just enter the number to see if your iPhone is unlocked. Another quick way to check is by removing your current SIM card and inserting one from a different carrier. If the phone connects to the new network, it is unlocked. This method is straightforward but may not be an option for everyone. And that is everything you need to know about how to check for and unlock iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.